Hello guys, it's your girl Wendy J and I'm here again with another update. Yeah, so Mande Network have already confirmed their airdrop for GYM stakers and for the testnet participants, and also another interaction went live, which is the interaction video, that is the watch to earn interaction on Omniflix. So the participants of this campaign are going to be getting the Mande airdrop, and is a watch to earn interaction whereby each answer you get correctly, you earn a particular 0.33 man tokens for it. And judging by the allocation that was given to GYM stakers, when lots of people were getting 4 man tokens and the like of it, so it's actually easy to rack up points, rack up airdrop airdrop token from this interaction, from this Omniflix interaction. This is only available to whitelisted addresses, and the snapshot was taken on 30th April. Same for the snapshot for GYM stickers, and it's 15. You should have at least 15 GYM staked before the snapshot was taken. The snapshot was taken on April 30th, so only those who are included in the snapshot will be eligible to participate in this particular interaction. So let's get right to the interaction. Yeah, so visit this website, Omniflix TV, omniflix.tv/Mande Network. Visit the website omniflix.tv/Mande Network and connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask wallet or your Kepler wallet anywhere you have your GYM stakes. So I have imported my wallet to Kepler wallet, so let me just approve to get connected. So there are 3 different interaction videos, and each 3 interaction videos has three questions each that you have to answer. And let's get right to the first one. Let's check it out. So now you have to connect to verify that you are actually a GYM staker. So just click on connect to verify so that you can approve and verify that you actually staked 15 GYM at the time of snapshot. So watch this video, and while watching you have questions, pop-up questions that you have to answer, and the first, second, third, and at the end you have the questions answered and how many you got correctly, and you'll be able to claim a participation NFT, which will also translate to reward in the future. So there are 3 different videos that you should also participate in: the first, the second, and the third one. So once you're done interacting, you all have a participation NFT that will be a proof of participation NFT, that which will be used to claim the future reward that you'll be getting from the Mande team. So guys, that will be all for this particular tutorial. It's short, quick, but if you need to go back to watch it, you should go back to watch it, so everything should be clear. And I will also comment the link to this omniflix.tv/Mande Network for you all to just go ahead and participate. So that will be all for today's video. See you all in my next video. Bye guys.